Srinivas. I am coming from Kerala. Today we had a course on smile designing. It was taken by Dr. Preethi. She took a class about smile designing, what all things we have to take care while doing veneers and smile designing. Veneers, difference about indirect and direct veneers, different types of porcelains, how we bind the veneers to the tooth. Everything was taken in a very proper way and we understood it very well. Many fellow mates were there. They clarified their doubts about veneers. It was a very interesting and a knowledgeable class and I got confidence to do veneers in my clinic. We came to know about the softwares where we could find about smile designing and all. There was a hands-on and we were able to do the procedure in typodont tooth and it was a very nice and quality time over this workshop and I thank AIAD and Dr. Preethi for the wonderful time and opportunity. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Benita George. I'm coming from Kerala. Today we had lectures and both hands-on for smile designing and veneers. Morning sessions we were having lectures for veneers and smile designing, and afternoon we had the demonstration for smile designing software and also veneer preparation and temporization also. Now we are doing hands-on. This was very useful. Within one day we had good knowledge regarding the veneers. Thank you Preethi ma'am for this wonderful lecture. Thank you AIAD.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sushnita and I have come from Rajasthan. We are here for veneer and smile designing course. Today's lecture was really very good and we have a very good hands-on course also. We have gained confidence in doing the veneers and smile designing.
Thank you.